Imagine an infinite beach. You could walk for 13.8 billion years at the speed of light, the fastest in the universe, and still not reach the end. But even on this epic journey, you'd only see a tiny fraction of what truly exists. It's like being on a tiny island in a possibly infinite ocean. Today, we're going beyond what our eyes and telescopes can reach, and I promise your perception of the universe's true size will never be the same. Hey there, cosmic explorers. Welcome back to Cosmic Frontiers, where we unravel the mysteries of the universe. Today, a journey will take us to the limits of known reality and beyond. We're on a mission towards 1,000 explorers, and your participation is fundamental to this shared discovery. How far can we see into the universe? The answer doesn't just depend on telescopes, but on the very way space and time work. There's a limit, the cosmological horizon, and it's impossible to see beyond it. Think of a party. You only see the present and echoes of the past, without knowing how it started. The observable universe is similar. Light from the most distant galaxies has traveled 13.8 billion years, showing how they were when the universe was very young. The first surprise, due to the continuous expansion of the universe, galaxies we see as they were 13.8 billion years ago are now 46 billion light-years away. It's like seeing a person from a distance, but while their light travels, they keep moving away. Thus, the observable universe has a diameter of 92 billion light-years. To give you an idea, if Earth were a grain of sand, the observable universe would be a sphere more than 15 kilometers across, something that changed our understanding. The universe is not only expanding, but accelerating. In 1998, scientists like Saul Perlmutter, Brian Schmidt, and Adam Rees studied distant supernova, stellar explosions that serve as cosmic lighthouses of constant brightness. They expected deceleration due to gravity, but saw the opposite, like a ball thrown upwards that accelerates. This discovery, awarded the Nobel Prize in 2011, revealed dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up 68% of the universe and about which we know practically nothing. Accelerated expansion has consequences for our vision. There's a distance where galaxies move away from us faster than light, due to the expansion of space itself. It's not that they move, but the space between them stretches, like dots on an inflating balloon. This creates the cosmic event horizon. Galaxies beyond it move away so fast that their light will never reach us. It's unsettling. Regions of the universe are fundamentally inaccessible, not by technology, but by the laws of physics. If the observable universe is 92 billion light-years across, how big is the total universe? We don't know. Maybe we'll never know. There are several possibilities. First, the universe is infinite, not just very big, but endless. This means infinite galaxies, stars, and Earths. In an infinite and homogeneous equal in all parts universe, probability guarantees exact copies of you. Everything possible happens infinitely many times. Second, the universe is finite, but much larger than the observable part. Estimates suggest 250 times larger. Imagine seeing only one seat in a stadium. That's the proportion. Third, the universe can have a complex geometry. Traveling in a straight line, you could return to the starting point, like on a 3D sphere. Or it could have an even more exotic shape, difficult to visualize. What if an infinite universe isn't the end? We enter the multiverse, an idea from theories like cosmic inflation and quantum mechanics. Cosmic inflation, Alan Guth, 1980s, suggests a very rapid expansion after the Big Bang. If inflation happened once, it must have happened infinitely many times, creating countless bubble universes with distinct physical properties. Think of boiling water, each bubble a complete universe with its own laws and history. Our universe would be one bubble in this cosmic soup of realities. Some might have stars like ours, others might be dominated by different forces, or be so strange we can't imagine. String theory, which seeks to unify fundamental forces, suggests 10 to the power of 500 ways to curl up extra dimensions. Each way would result in a universe with slightly different laws. It's an unthinkable number, larger than atoms in the observable universe raised to themselves. What's more, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which studies tiny particles, suggests that with each quantum event, the universe splits into parallel realities, each with a possible outcome. This creates a multiverse of infinite branches, where all quantum possibilities are realized somewhere. It's crucial to differentiate what we know, suspect, and speculate. The observable universe is a precisely measured fact, and accelerated expansion is a solid fact. The size of the total universe beyond what we see is speculation based on data. The multiverse is a consequence of theories, but without direct evidence. Even without direct evidence, we look for clues. Collisions of bubble universes, for example, would leave marks in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the echo of the Big Bang. But nothing conclusive has been found yet. Another clue. Why do fundamental constants, values that define the laws of physics, like the strong nuclear force, have their exact values? If there are multiple universes with different constants, we observe them because they are the only ones that allow our existence. The anthropic principle. The deepest question: why is there something instead of nothing? Lawrence Krauss suggests that nothing can be unstable, and universes can spontaneously arise from the quantum vacuum, a space that seems empty but is full of fluctuating energy. If so, multiple universes would be inevitable, and the philosophical implications. In an infinite universe or multiverse, there's a version of you who made different decisions, who was an astronaut or never saw this video. This questions identity, free will, meaning. Do your choices still matter? I believe so. Your experiences, connections, and impact are unique and real. It's human to seek these limits, like explorers who opened up continents. Today, cosmologists and theoretical physicists map territories we may never visit. We are in a golden age of cosmology. James Webb shows us further. Gravitational wave detectors listen to the universe. Particle physics experiments investigate fundamental forces. In decades, we'll have evidence of other universes, or we'll know our universe is unique. Both possibilities are awe-inspiring. We live in an age of cosmic wonder, where science and fiction meet. We are the first generation to understand our position, small, but connected by physics and chemistry. Recap. 1. There's a fundamental limit to what we see, the cosmological horizon at 46 billion light-years. 2. The universe is accelerating, creating inaccessible regions. 3. Our universe may be part of a much larger reality, perhaps infinite, with other universes. The most important lesson: despite being small, we are extraordinary results of 13.8 billion years of evolution. We are conscious stardust, contemplating our origins. The universe understands itself through you. Our quest for the limits of the universe is, at its core, a quest for the limits of ourselves. To ask what exists beyond this, to ask who are we, and what is our place. The answer: we are cosmic explorers, united by curiosity in understanding our cosmic home. And you, cosmic explorers, if you could go beyond the horizon, what would you find? More universes, something unimaginable. Share in the comments. I love our community's creativity. What cosmic frontier for the next video? Black holes, the nature of time, extraterrestrial life. Suggest topics in the comments. We're heading towards 1,000 explorers. If this video expanded your horizons, join the crew by subscribing. Every explorer helps us unravel mysteries together. Like this video if it renewed your admiration for the night sky. Share it with someone who loves questioning reality. The best journeys are shared. Activate the bell so you don't miss the next cosmic dive. Until then, keep looking up, keep questioning, and remember, you are part of the human quest to understand the universe in its infinite glory.